If you do a little gardening around your home, it's not unusual to have a few seeds left over from the year before or maybe the year before that. But to determine if the seeds are any good before you plant them, Tricia has a great idea.
Well, I do, Danny, and I'm one of those people that has seeds from all sorts of years. And as a gardener, sometimes we gardeners exchange seeds and just put them in a little envelope.
Sure.
So here's a really easy way to test to see if they're any good.
Okay.
I just filled this pan with a little bit of water, and I'm going to pour these seeds in here. You know, and you can do this with any seeds. And what you do is you leave them overnight, and the seeds that are good, that actually will germinate, will drop to the bottom of the pan.
I see.
And what's really nice is the ones that aren't any good, you can just skim right off the top.
I can see where something like this would be fun to do with the kids too.
Oh, it would be really fun to do with the children. I always love to encourage children working in the garden, and this is a really, really fun one.
Now I assume that the next morning after you separate the good and the bad seeds, you probably need to plant them pretty quickly then.
Yes, you better plant them because otherwise they might spoil or turn. And the other thing is, when you are soaking them in water like this, it really does help the germination process, just like you would soak a bare root tree overnight or something like that. So get them in the ground, and I think they'll turn out real well.
Good.